Here I've got HUAWEI P Smart Z, and let me show you how to activate Google Backup on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then find and pick System, which is the very last tab, and then click on Backup and Restore. Go to Backup to Google and then activate this feature by tapping on this switcher. So that's it. Now your data would be backed to Google, but at first you have to add your backup account. So click on Backup Account, wait a couple of seconds until your device scans itself, and also make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi, because otherwise you will not be able to log in with your Google account. So here you just have to enter your email address or phone number. I will enter my email address. It's HardReset.Info1@gmail.com. And then click on Next. And here it's time to enter the password, so let me do it off the screen. And as only the password is entered, you just have to click on Next. And here you can come along with Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, and also privacy policy. And if you agree with all the conditions, click on I agree. And here, as you can see, backup to Google Drive is active, and just click on Accept to confirm your selection of this Google feature. So that's it. As you can see, you've got your backup active, and then includes app and app data, call history, contacts, device settings, and also messages. So click on OK to finish the whole process, and that will be all. Congrats, you just added backup account to your device and your data is safe and protected. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.